Good morning, sixth grade. Yes, I said specifically sixth grade. We are going to move forward with our curriculum, and these videos that I'm going to share with you are going to be just for you, sixth grade. I hope you're excited. I hope you had a great weekend. We are here on Monday, September 14th, and we are ready to rock and roll. All right. So, here is our canvas. I've been playing with it a little bit this weekend, and I'm hoping it's going to make it a little bit easier for you to find things, okay? So we still have our homepage when you get here. You'll have your announcements. So as soon as I'm done with this video, you'll have your Monday to-do list video. Over here on the right-hand side, you still have your to-do list, okay? These are all of the announcements or calendar events, things going on coming up for you and assignments to do, okay? If you scroll down, you have your buttons, okay? You have your live Zoom lessons, about me course information. I cleaned it up a little bit. I took away the announcements button because they are going to be right here, all right? And weekly workflow has changed a little bit, and hopefully it's going to make it a lot easier for you to get where you need to be every single day. Um, you'll notice that the tabs over here have also disappeared. That is to make it easier for you. So we're going to go click on weekly workflow. Excuse me, I needed a sip of my coffee. All right, so here we go. Week number 2 workflow. Here's my Bitmoji with my little globe because I'm the social studies teacher. Welcome to your social studies weekly workflow. So every week for social studies, you're going to get a chart that looks like this, okay? Monday through Friday. Every day you're going to have your daily to-do list. And then every day you're going to have something that you need to do. Notice that some of these to-do items have an underline underneath them. That means that they are a clickable link and they are ready to go. And if you click the link, it will take you where you need to go. So for example, daily to-do list, if you click on it, it will take you to my YouTube page. Now, the link that's currently on here is the one that was for all middle school, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, because remember, everybody did the same thing last week. So that will change as soon as my video is done, but that will take you to the 6th grade daily to-do list. Then you have your CN10 warm-up, all right? Now, I've changed how we're going to do CN10. Simply because there were so many students last week that were having issues with the blue submit button appearing in the top right corner. So I have changed this to a discussion instead of an assignment. So here's your prompt. Today is Monday. You haven't had a Monday yet, but you're going to pick one story in today's news show and summarize it in your own words. So you're going to pick one of the stories, summarize it in your own words, one sentence, capitalization, punctuation, make sure you do that. Here's your link. And in order to answer, you click in this reply box, okay? Click in the reply box and it opens up the text box. So it's a little bit easier to find and a little bit easier to do. Once you have typed your response, right, you would click post reply and then you can see once you've posted, you can see what everybody else has had to say about CNN10 for today. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so I'm going to go back to my homepage so that I can go back to my workflow. The next thing you're going to have is Big 3 in Study Guide. You're like, what does this mean? This will become a clickable link as soon as I'm done with the video, because after I'm done giving instructions on the to-do list, there's going to be a separate video about what to do for the Big 3. The Big 3 is essentially the first 3 things that we always talk about whenever a social studies lesson occurs. There is a graphic organizer, there are the big ideas or main points of the lesson, and there are vocabulary words. These things are going to be copied into a study guide. Typically, if we were in an in-class situation, I would provide you with a blank study guide, but I'm just going to have you guys use any average notebook that you might have at home or lined paper. And it's essentially going to be your notes for any upcoming assessments that might happen on Canvas here online. Okay. Our first lesson is all about what is geography. So, what you have here for 3 and 4 is you have a video about you can do with geography. It's going to take you to National Geographic, and it has a short 3-minute video explaining the different types of things you can do with geography, the different types of careers you can have with geography. Super cool. So, watch that. That's all you have to do with that link. And then the final thing that you need to do for today is there is a what is geography question discussion. So you're going to click that link and it's going to take you to the discussion. I'm hoping these links are going to be easier rather than go out of your workflow, go click on this, go click on that, try to make everything. Okay. So you're going to answer the following question in your own thoughts. What is geography? There is no right or wrong answer. Once you have submitted your answer, you must comment on another student's post. So once you've answered your question about what is geography, go and find a friend's and comment in a positive way on what they said. Do you have a question about the definition? Do you need clarification? Do you agree or disagree with their definition of geography and why? So this is going to be 2 points, one for answering yourself and one for commenting on a friend. I am going to leave this workflow up all week. And as soon as I am done with posting all of my instructions for today for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, I will start adding in the assignments that you need to do for the week in case you want to work ahead. Please keep in mind that CN10 is not made available to teachers or students until the night before. Today's CNN was not posted until 10:30 last night. So that is the only thing that we can't really work ahead with until the night before. However, you can see that I have a few things ready to go for Tuesday if you wanted to start doing that, but keep in mind your daily to-do list video will not be posted until the following morning. So you feel free to work ahead if you want to, but if you want more instruction, if you do better with an audio instruction, visual instruction with my face, keep at your own pace. But I wanted to make sure everybody had the same opportunity to either work slower, work faster, whatever they wanted to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or text me. There is one thing specifically else that I want to point out for 6th grade for today. If I can get into it from here, I'm going to have to go out of student view super, super quick. There was a change in your schedule today, only 6th grade. The change in your schedule is you are going to have ELA with Miss MacArthur today instead of Mr. Moody's math class. So if you go into 6th grade homeroom, into your courses, after today, I will delete this link, but do not click the math link for today because you're not having math class. You're having ELA today. And then the new math link will be posted as soon as Mr. Moody sends that over. So make sure you click this link at 12:30 to see Miss MacArthur's smiling face. Okay. Have a great Monday, folks. If you need me, let me know.